Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sara. Welcome to my channel. And today, what we are going to study, we are going to learn about a topic that is called density. Yes, today we are going to learn about the density. Do you know what is density actually? Let me tell you. Density, with the help of density, we know this how heavier or how lighter an object is. Okay, with the help of density we come to know that how lighter or how heavier an object is. Basically, the formula for the density is mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume. So what does it mean? It means with the volume means the space acquired by a object. ठीक है, the space acquired by an object is actually the volume. So within the volume, with a certain volume, how many mass is there? This is actually the density. Let me tell you again what is density. Density क्या है बेटा? कि density is actually कि एक खास वॉल्यूम में, ठीक है, एक खास वॉल्यूम में, खास स्पेस में, खास सराउंडिंग में कितना mass है. This is actually the density. And the formula for the density is mass per unit volume. Okay. Okay, let's take an example. In this example, we are keeping the volume same. How we are keeping the volume same? You have a two boxes. Okay, you should take the two box. Okay, of the same equal measurements. So it means they should have a equal volume. आपने दो बॉक्स लिए, A box, B box. दोनों बॉक्स का वॉल्यूम सेम है. सेम का मतलब क्या है? The space acquired by an object. कि एक स्पेस कितनी ली हुई है. ओके, स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कितनी की हुई है उसने, दैट इज एक्चुअली द वॉल्यूम. अब आपने क्या करना है, यू हैव टू डू, आपने एक बॉक्स में उसको आपने कम्प्लीटली फिल कर देना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ द स्टोन्स, एंड इन अदर बॉक्स यू हैव टू कम्प्लीटली फिल इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ द पेपर्स. ओके, एक में आपने पेपर फिल कर लिया, एक में आपने स्टोन्स फिल कर लिए. अब लेट्स डू अ वन थिंग. आप इसको ज़रा उठाने की कोशिश करें. व्हाट विल हैपन? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? Which box will be heavier? With stones now? Okay, so now come to this point. If we are having a same volume, हमारे पास same volume है, same को आप constant भी कह सकते हो, तो क्या होगा? जिसका mass ज़्यादा है तो उसकी density ज़्यादा होगी. Mass and density directly proportional. Okay. So what is the density formula? The formula of the density is equal to mass over volume. M for mass and V for the volume. Okay, so let me ask you a question. Do you know what's the difference between the mass and the weight? Are they same or they are different? Let me tell you, they are different. What is the mass? Mass is actually how much matter there is in an object. For example, you have a box in your hand, right? And you're asking about what is the mass. So basically, what is the mass? How much matter in an object. But if we talk about the weight, whenever we use the word weight, gravity is always involved. You can see W is equal to mg, mass multiplied by gravity. So what is the weight? Weight is actually the measure of the size of the pull of gravity on an object. Means कोई भी आपके पास object है, ठीक है, उसमें कितना gravity का effect है on an object, ठीक है. Gravity effect on an object is actually the weight. So basically, acha, let me tell you one very important point. The units of the weight is always, you can say gram, kilogram, and whenever we talk about the weight of unit of the weight, it's always Newton. Okay, so this is the formula of the density, mass over volume. Okay, so what will be the unit of the density? Gram per centimeter cube or kilogram per meter cube. Okay, acha ji, do you know what is the difference between, what is the volume? Volume is the amount of space occupied by an object. ठीक हो गया? Amount of space. Okay. Now come to the other point. Other point में हम क्या डिस्कस करने लगे हैं कि we are keeping the mass same now. We are keeping the mass same. I hope सब ने enjoy किया हुआ है when you were in KG1, even when you were in 6th 7th grade. तो आप क्या करते थे? सीसा, राइट? सीसा स्विंग. उसमें अब एक साइड पे आपने वन टर्न. व्हाट इज वन टर्न? टर्न इज एक्चुअली द इज इक्वल टू 1000 kg। वन आपने एक स्टोन लिया दैट इज हैविंग मास, उसका कितना मास है, उसका मास जो है वो है 1000 kg। और दूसरी तरफ आपने एक पेपर बैग लिया, उसमें इट फिल्ड विद फेदर्स, और उसको आपने दूसरी साइड पर रख दिया। बोथ आर हैविंग द सेम मास, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? बैलेंस में रहेगा सीसॉ या इट विल गोज टू वन साइड? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट। इट विल बी बैलेंस। बैलेंस क्यों होगा? बिकॉज ऑन बोथ साइड्स पे जो मैथ है वो आपका इक्वल है। मेक श्योर यू डोंट हैव टू से द वर्ड वेट, यू हैव टू यूज द वर्ड मैथ, ठीक है? whenever we are using actually in science lab or whatever we are doing the experiments, we always use the term mass, not the weight, okay? And we have discussed this why, okay? Now come to the point. अब जो mass same है, now let's check about the density. Density किसकी ज़्यादा होगी? Okay, so अब जो if we are considering the a big bag full of feathers, उसका volume ज़्यादा है, right? So make sure volume and density are inversely proportional to each other. If the volume is greater, density is less. Volume is greater, density is less. तो इसमें डेंसिटी लेस किसकी होगी? इसमें डेंसिटी लेस होगी पेपर बैग की, और डेंसिटी ज़्यादा किसकी होगी? स्टोन की। क्यों? क्योंकि स्टोन इज हैविंग अ लेस वॉल्यूम ग्रेटर डेंसिटी। लेट मी टेल यू, this is the reason that why the helium balloons goes upward. Make sure, very important point, if the density is less, it always goes upwards. Warm air and cool air, warm air always rises upwards. What's the reason? The reason is because it has a less density. Is it clear? Okay, so we know this if we are keeping the mass constant, right? If we are keeping the mass constant, let me tell you, if we have a less volume, it means the density will be greater. Density and the volume, they are actually indirect relationship. Density and volume, they are having indirect relationship. If the volume is less, the density will be greater. If the volume will be greater, the density will be less. And on other side, if we are keeping the volume same, right? Now we are keeping the volume same. Now what will happen? Mass and the density are directly proportional to each other. If we are increasing the mass, the density will be increasing. Is it clear? Let me give you another example. Ice. Okay, ice always floats on the surface of the water. Why the ice floats on the surface of the water? Because of less density. Yes, you are right. Okay, basically when the water is in liquid state and you put this in freezer to freeze, क्या होता है? वो freeze हो जाती है. If you observe, आज आप लोग observe करना कि जब आप ice cube बनाते हो तो उसका volume increase हो जाता है. वाटर हैज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट दैट जब भी उसको फ्रीज किया जाता है, वही स्पेशल क्वालिटी है वाटर की, उसका वॉल्यूम एक्सपेंड हो जाता है. सो व्हेन द वॉल्यूम इज इंक्रीजिंग, डेंसिटी इज डिक्रीजिंग. ओके, दे आर इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू ईच अदर. वॉल्यूम इंक्रीजिंग, डेंसिटी डिक्रीजिंग. सो इफ द डेंसिटी इज लेस, इट विल स्टार्ट फ्लोटिंग. गॉट इट? ओके, लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. You have two jugs in front of you. एक jug में you will enter the paper and in other you will enter the stone. What do you think? Paper will sink or float? It will float. And about stone? Stone will float or it will sink? Yes, it will sink. Yes, you are right. So higher density, it will sink down. If you have a less density, it will float down. Okay? Okay, let's take another example. Oil की हम example लेते हैं. Oil always, if you want to add water and the oil, it is impossible. Why it's impossible? Because अच्छा, mix इस वजह से भी नहीं हो सकता, because both are, when we want to add both the liquid, they are immiscible liquid, so they are unable to mix. And secondly, oil का जो volume होता है, that is greater than the water. तो जब volume ज़्यादा है तो उसकी density कम होगी. आई होप आपको मेरा जो डेंसिटी का टॉपिक है वो समझ आया है.